Alright, today I'm going to show you how I created a compression app in Python using AI. So this is more of a preview video other than a tutorial. So to create this, I used, I think, ChatGPT and Claude. So if you want to check the code for the video compressor, it will be on the link down below in the description where I have the GitHub. Also, if you are interested in more of these kind of videos, drop a like, tell me down below in the comments if you want to see more of this. So I think what we have to do right now is to give this code a check. So let's go into the folder of the compressor because this is a place where I have multiple codes. So let's run the compression application. So here you see two options. First of all, the GUI is made in Python using Tinker. Compress a batch of videos by specifying the directory in which inside there are videos, and you can also go ahead and compress one video. So if I hit one video, you will see here drag drop video here. You can choose the compression amount and you can also select the output directory. You can go back or click the render button to really compress the video that you selected. So yes, the drag and drop of the video is working. Let me show you. Boom. It's selected. You can choose compression. You can choose output. And if I click the render button, it will work. I don't really want to do it right now because it will be a kind of hard for my system. For the batch, you have to select directory. For the input, it goes through all the files during the rendering and only uses the ones that are video, so it can exclude the other files, so that's handled. And again, the idea is pretty much the same. What have I done? I started off, as always, with the basic code. I wanted to make sure that I can compress just one video, the simplest case. So what I've done is that I started off by creating the function and using it with a main. It was not even a function at the start of, just, compressing just one video. The simplest case of all. And I asked Claude and it gave me a pretty good answer. So it said, load MoviePy library. This is a library for video editing in Python. Load it. And then, select a new bitrate and you're done. So I've done some changes to it. I added multi-threading to take advantage of multiple threads in the CPU. This is not really a big speed up, to be completely transparent. I also specified the codec, which is super important. I also specified the preset. So the preset allows to use more computation for the compression, which is important. And the more computation you use to load the video and save it, the more compressed it will be by default. So this is the first step. The second step is calculating the bitrate. I'm getting the original bitrate and according to the options, I scale the bitrate that is returned. So that's also super important. So I get the original bitrate and I calculate a new bitrate according to the settings. So if you want low compression, I'm just going to use 8% of the original. Medium, 60%. High compression, 40% of the original bitrate. And we are talking about such a lot of compression. Really, guys, you can use this software. You can actually go and download it. You just have to install requirements.txt. And you can go and put all of your videos into low compression and save so much space on the cloud, so much space on your computer, and you have the batch option. Beautiful option. We also have some functions to handle the file name and create new file names, handle the directories, etc. And it's that simple really. It's not that hard. And AI has done an absolutely amazing job. It's nearly 90% AI. I've made it like in 2 to 3 hours using AI, going slowly, and it was absolutely amazing. AI could handle file handling, directories. It allowed me to create the GUI using tkinter, and I'm really happy with that because we also had rounded button, black backgrounds, titles, styles. It's, it done an amazing job. But of course, this was based on a previous project, the YouTube downloader. Probably if you watch this video, you can watch that other video as well. It's uploaded on the channel. And I said AI, okay, I have this application. I want the same style to be transferred over to this application, the compression application. And it's done an amazing job. Claude and ChatGPT done both of these, done an amazing job. Now, a lot of things they could not change. For example, I wanted the radio button of the compression to have black background. They really did not do it on their own. I had to actually put in the code. I had to actually change the code and read a little bit the documentation, 10-20 minutes to do the fix on how to apply this style. I also added padded X, and in terms of responsiveness, this application is not really good, but it is what it is. Some stuff are actually, scaling. Some other things are not scaling. There is not a minimum resolution set, so I cannot drag this like that. But it's still fine. It really does its job. When it loads up, it has the correct dimensions, and that's all you really need. You need a working product. This is of course open source. It's for free. Everybody can use it for free. So it really doesn't matter. In my opinion, it does its job. I don't really care if this is not aligned on the sender. I tried to make it, for some reason I cannot make it align on the sender. If you can do it, open up an issue or a pull request and I will make sure to merge. Alright, so yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully you will enjoy it. If you want more of these kind of videos, tell me down below in the comments. Give me your ideas on what you want me to create, or what do you want me to change? Do you want me to do live coding and show you an edited video of how I use AI? Tell me whatever you need, tell me whatever you want. I'm very open to ideas, and yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this video, and I will see you on the next one really.